Today I'd like to review for you the DNM eyeshadow cream sticks that I purchased. I found this great little set of some wonderful DNM. It's a pink silky eyeshadow 12 color set that I found that I absolutely loved, and they're great for travel. These are just small enough to put in your bag, and then you can see they just wipe over the eyes so beautifully and very, very easy to use. And I have absolutely loved this brand. Their wearability is fantastic. They don't go into the creases and the lines in my eyes and the wrinkles in my eyes. And so I have truly enjoyed these cream eyeshadow sticks in this great, cute little case and little to carry it around. So this is something that would make a great holiday gift for somebody. They're just really great cream sticks for a great eyeshadow look. Put them in your cart today.